So good morning to everyone. This is Devinay Kumar. Today we are discussing very important topic in strings, that is string manipulation functions or string library functions. It is also known as string handling functions and also string built-in functions. All are same. Four names: string manipulation functions, string library functions, string handling functions, string built-in functions. Okay. So we are discussing four important functions here. First one, strcat. So it concatenates two strings. Second one, strcpy. It copies one string over another. Third one, strcmp. It compares two strings. Fourth one, strlen. It finds the length of the string. Okay. These are four important functions. All are lowercase letters only. Don't give uppercase. strcat, lowercase letters, followed by parentheses. strcpy. So all are lowercase letters, no gap. strcmp, all are lowercase letters, no gap. strlen, all are lowercase letters, no gap. Okay. strcat, strcpy, strcmp, strlen. Okay. Next, we will see each function in detail, each library function in detail. First, strcat. What is the purpose of strcat? It joins two strings together. It takes the following form: strcat of string 1 comma string 2. Okay. Here one important point. So what is the purpose of strcat? It combines two strings, but combines two strings means takes place change in one string only. What is that string? That is always string 1 only. So string 1 always contains the combined string, but there is no change in string 2. Very important point. Here the combined string is contained by string 1 only. There is no change in string 2. Okay. Here. So when strcat executed, string 2 is added or appended to the end of the string 1. So string 2 is added to the string 1. Okay. That is the important point here. So there is no change in string 2. Okay. Next. We will see the program now. So C program for implementation of string manipulation operation concatenate with library function strcat. So for as usual, we can go for main char s1 of 80 comma s2 of 8. Why I am taking 80 means the line length in string, the line length is accepted with the string, that is maximum at most 80 characters. Okay. Put s, enter the first string, get s of s1. So what the first string I am taking as Ravi. Put s, enter second string, get s of s2. Second string I am taking Varma. Okay. So before concat s1 equal percentages, s2 equal percentages, s1 comma s2. So this is formatted printf. Okay, formatted output. That's why I am getting percentages. Okay. S1, what is s1 now? Ravi. s1 equal to Ravi. I am getting here s1 equal to Ravi, s2 equal to Varma. Okay, we are getting here s1 equal to Ravi, s2 equal to Varma before concatenation. Now we can go for strcat of s1 comma s2. Now what is happening? The content of s2 is added to s1. Content of s2 is added to s1. Okay. So the concatenated string is s1 is Ravi Varma. So we are combined two strings, that is contained by s1. S1 is contained the combined string. What about s2? It is contained only Varma. There is no change in second string Varma. Okay. So here we are getting only Varma. That is a very important point. Okay. So C program for implementing string manipulation operation comes with the library function. This is strcat. In strcat, when I combine two strings, the combined string is contained by first string. There is no change in the second string. Here concatenation operation means one important point here. Concatenation means the last character of string 1, that is null character, is replaced with the first character of second string. Once again I am repeating, concatenation means the last character of string s1, that is null character, is replaced with the first character of second string. Okay, that is called concatenation. Okay. So next we can go for copy string strcpy. So what is the purpose of the strcpy? It copies contents of one string into another string. It copies contents of one string into another string. Syntax or general format or general procedure, general form. strcpy of string 1 comma string 2. Here also same thing. Always string 2 content. Here string 2 content is copied in string 1. Always string 2 content is copied in string. That is the purpose of strcpy. String 2 content is copied in string 1. Okay. So there is no change in string 2. as well same. Okay, string 2 content is always added into the copied into the string 1. Okay. Next, we'll see the program for strcpy. C program for implementation of string manipulation operation copy. So with the library function strcpy, as usual, main char s1 of 80, s2 of 80, put s, enter this first string, get s of s1, Vijay, put s, enter the second string, get s of s2, that is I am taking Kumar. Okay. Okay, print up before copy s1 equal percentage, s2 equal percentage, s1 comma s2. Okay. Here I have taken here, please remove this one. Here we can go Ravi Sai. Keep it as Ravi Sai because of by printing mistake here, Ravi Sai. Because they are taking Ravi Sai, okay. So remove this one, Vijay, Ravi. Here Ravi I have to read. Here Sai I have to read, okay. So before copy s1 equal to Ravi, Sai. After copy, what is getting? Sai is copied in Ravi. Sai is copied in Ravi. Okay, we are getting Sai. Okay. That is the purpose of copy. Okay, so here some mistake is available. Get us of s1 means it has Ravi. Remove this one, Vijay, Ravi. Get us of s2, we are getting Sai. Okay, Ravi Sai. Okay, so what is happening? Sai is copied in Ravi. So finally, what we are getting? Sai we are getting. Okay, that is about strcpy. Okay, so remove these two as wrong. Here we have to replace Vijay with Ravi, Kumar with Sai. So we are getting Ravi Sai. Okay. Finally, we are getting the answer Sai. So because Sai is copied in Ravi. Finally, we are getting Sai. Okay, these two are wrong. Okay, eliminate these two. Okay. Next function is we can go for strcmp. It compares two strings. Strcmp function in C compares two given strings and returns 0 with their same. With the length of the string less than string 2, it returns less than 0 value. If the length of string 1 is greater than string 2, it returns greater than 0 value. Okay. So automatically, if two strings are equal means we are getting answer 0. So how the strings are compared here based on ASCII value. What is ASCII stands for? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, that is ASCII value, based on ASCII value. So two strings of ASCII values, we are taking the same string, Sai, Vijay. So the two strings ASCII values are same. We are getting value 0. So we are going for the operation here, subtraction. The ASCII value of V minus ASCII value of V, ASCII value of I minus ASCII value of I, like this. So we are going for subtract option between each character of each string. Okay. So finally we are getting 0 means both strings are equal. Negative value means string 1 is less than string 2. Positive value means string 1 is greater than string 2. Okay. That is about strcmp. It compares two strings. Okay. Next one. So now we are going for program for C program for implementation of string manipulation operation. Compare with library function strcmp. Go for main char s1 of 80, comma s2 of 80. Int x. Why I am taking int x means to store the comparison value 0 or so. Here I am not taking only one case. Here in this program I am telling both strings are equal or not. So if x value I am getting 0 means two strings are equal. If I am not getting 0 means other than 0, non-zero value means I am giving the answer here, two strings are not equal. Okay. So put s, enter the first string, get s of s1. Put s, enter the second string, get s of s2. X equal to, okay, strcmp s1 comma s2. Get s means I am writing s1 means here I am writing Sai. Get s of s2 also Sai. strcmp Sai comma Sai. Okay, strcmp comparison. So what I am getting here? So we are getting Sai comma Sai means we are getting 0 answer. So I am taking the same string means I am getting answer 0. X equal to 0. So 0 double equals to 0. So what is the answer? I am getting two strings are equal. Suppose I am taking one more two strings. So Sai I am writing here, Vijay I am writing here. So now I am not getting 0 value other than 0 value, x not equal to 0 here. So suppose x I am getting some 20. So x equal to 20 double equals to 0. So condition is wrong, we can go for else, two strings are not equal. Okay. So what is the final conclusion here? The final conclusion is if you are taking s1, s2 are same strings, same names, we are getting x value as 0. Otherwise we are getting non-zero value. That is about comparison. Okay, this comparison application can be useful in entering passwords of Gmail, so Facebook, whatever, Twitter, whatever it may be. When you are entering any passwords, this we are using this type of function strcmp. So in sign up, what is the password we have given? Same password we have given sign in operation also. Sign up, sign in. Okay, already you know sign up. So when you are register for any mail, you can go for sign up. Okay, after registration is complete, we can go for sign in. So what are the passwords? Both passwords same. Otherwise, we can't open our home page. Okay, so in that situation, we can use strcmp. Okay, they can use strcmp comparison. So comparison of passwords is the real world example for strcmp. Okay, comparison of passwords. Okay, next one we can go for strlen. String length. It counts and returns number of characters in a string. Okay, strlen gives, it counts and returns the string number of characters in a string. Okay, so syntax: n equal strlen of string, where n is an integer variable which contains the length of the string. Okay, n always contains the integer value. Okay, strlen of string. So now you can see the C program. C program for implementation of string manipulation operation length with the library function strlen. Main char str of 80 int n, enter the string getters of str, n equal strlen of str. Okay, print of the length of string is %d comma n. Okay, here see, here I am taking only one string. So in the previous three functions, they require compulsory two strings, but to find the length of the string, we are finding individual first string, second string, like this. Char str of 80 int n, because the length always integer value. Length is always integer value. So put a enter the string getters of str, n equal strlen of str. Okay, so suppose I have taken enter the string some Sai. Okay, so strlen of Sai. Sai means how many words? 3 words. So I am getting n equal to 3. Okay, length of the string is %d comma 3. So we are getting answer 3. Okay, strlen. Finally, what is the conclusion? strcat, strcpy, strcmp, those three functions are working on two strings. Those three functions are working on two strings. What is the general procedure for strcat? strcat of string 1 comma string 2. What is general procedure or syntax of strcpy? strcpy of string 1 comma string 2. What is the syntax of or general procedure of strcmp? strcmp of string 1 comma string 2. But fourth function strlen, it takes only one string, not two strings. strlen of str. Okay, this is strlen. Okay, so here now in this session we are also discussing one important program, very important program, C program for palindrome string. C program for palindrome string. I am taking here palindrome string here. See here how to check the palindrome string. Char str of 20 int I comma length comma flag equal to 0. Printf, enter the string, or you can give here puts also. Printf or puts, so you can take any one. So puts enter a string, or put printf enter a string. Getters of str. First I am taking length equal to strlen of str. So I am getting the length value here. Suppose I am taking a string and getting length strlen of str. Suppose I give mam. What is palindrome string first of all? So the reverse of the given string is same. The reverse of if you reverse a string, that is also same as the original string, that is called palindrome string. Best example, mam. I am writing mam, M-A-M, mam. Then what is the reverse of the string? Also mam. So the best example for palindrome string is mam. Okay. So here mam, mam, M-A-M, mam, M-A-M, mam. Okay. Now we can go for, so I will see in the Word file. Suppose I am taking just mam. Okay. What is the reverse of the string? Also mam. Okay. Go for a small letter here. It's called palindrome string. Okay. Mam. Next Malayalam. There is also palindrome strings. Malayalam. Okay. Here also you can go for Malayalam. Okay. There are reverse strings, just like in Telugu Venkatakavi. Okay. Here also palindrome string. Palindrome string means reverse string. M A L. I am writing reverse. M A L A Y A L A M. Malayalam. Ma'am. Okay. They are called palindrome strings. Okay. The reverse of the given string is the same as the original string. Palindrome strings. So very important program in C language. Palindrome string. Okay. So here see here. So for simplicity I am taking the first example. Ma'am. I am taking this one. Ma'am. Here M1, M is A of 0, sorry, S of 0, STR of 0, STR of 1, STR of 2, STR of 0, I can go for some table here. You can go for some tables just like that. So table 1, 3. Okay. Here I am writing here ma'am. M-A-M, ma'am. Okay. So it is at 0th position. Is 0th position. Okay. So STR of 0. STR of 1, STR of 2, okay, 0 1 2, okay, STR of 5, starting value 0, STR of 0 means what is STR of 0? So for I equal to 0, I am writing here, for I equal to 0, what is the comparison at I equal to 0? At I equal to 0, I am writing here, at I equal to 0, what is happening? If STR of 0. What is STR of 0 means? STR of 0 means this one. That is M. M not equal to STR of 0. Okay, M not equal to STR of length. What is length here? Ma'am means I am taking only 3, length 3. 3 minus 0 minus 1 means that is STR of 2. So here I am writing that format also. What is first at I equal to 0? What is happening? STR of I means 0 not equal to STR of 3 minus 0. I value, what is I value here? 0. Length already 3. Ma'am means 3. 0 minus 1. Okay. I am checking this one. Okay. At I equal to 0. So what is happening now? If just I am going for simplifying, STR of 0 not equal to STR of, so matlab 3 minus 1 2, STR of 2, okay, STR of 2. Now what is happening? What is STR of 0 now? M. What is STR of 2 now? 2. So that is STR of 2, M. Both are same, M. So what is happening? If I am checking, what is STR of 0? M. M not equal to M. M not equal to M. Condition true or false? False. So flag value not becomes 1. Okay, flag value remains same 0. Here I am taking flag value. If any one, this if this condition is true means automatic flag value becomes 1. When flag value becomes 1, if two strings are, if the given string is not palindrome string, then flag value becomes 1. If the given string is not palindrome, then only flag value becomes 1. Otherwise, if we are taking the palindrome string, then flag value never becomes 1. So that's why here M and M are same. So M not equal to M. Condition false. You can go for next one. I equal to 1. So you can go for I equal to 1. Okay. I equal to 1. Same operation. I equal to 1. Okay. So I equal to 1 means again same operation. If str of string of, so what is the I value 1, str of 1 not equal to, here I am not directly writing, I am writing directly str of string length, what is the length value? 3 minus what is the I value? 1. 3 minus 1 minus 1, what is the value? I'm going to str of 1 again. Okay, both are same. Okay, str of 1, otherwise write this one. 3 minus I value 1 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 minus 1. So I am increasing font here. Okay, 3 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so what I am getting here again? If str of 1 not equal to, str of 1 not equal to, again str of 1. Okay, str of 1 not equal to str of 1. Okay, str of 1. Okay, so what I am getting here? Str of 1 not equal to str of 1 means, so what is str of 1? When a not equal to a, if a not equal to a, again condition is false, flag value not becomes 1. Okay, a not equal to a, again condition is false. Okay, false, condition is false. Here also condition is false, flag value not becoming 1. Here also condition is false, m not equal to m, condition is false. Okay, next, what is next value? I plus plus, I value becomes 2. So I less than 3, 2 less than 3, condition true, no problem. So up to we have 3 values, I equal to 0, I equal to 1, I equal to 2. So next iteration also possible, I equal to 2. Okay, at I equal to 2, very important program this one. So check a string, the given string is check to the given string is palindrome or not. If again, if str of 2 not equal to str of 2 not equal to str of, you can see here 3 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, what I am getting here? 3 minus 2 minus 1. Indirectly I am checking first with last character, second with the last but one character, like this. Okay, I am comparing up for the same string. Okay, now what I am getting here? If str of 2 not equal to str of what is 3 minus 3 is 0, again 0, str of 0. Okay, see here str of 2 not equal to str of 0. See here, what is str of 0? M. What is str of 2? M. Again m not equal to m. If m not equal to m, okay, again condition is false. Okay, now what is happening? So here flag value never becomes 1. Okay, what is flag value? 0. So if flag equal to 0 means percentage is palindrome comma str. What is str value? Mam is palindrome. Okay, else percentage s is not palindrome. Okay, so here getting flag value 0 means we are getting mam is palindrome. Okay, suppose I am changing any other than like this, not only mam, I can go for another one more string like this, some master. So master, suppose I am going for master. Master is not palindrome string. Okay, by reverse order rest sam, you are not getting it is not a palindrome string. Master, for master it is not a palindrome string. Okay, so here mam, once again I am repeating all the steps. Mam, what is mam? First I am taking the string st20 here, but I am for simplicity I am taking this very simple string mam. Okay, mam. So m is stored in at 0th location, a is stored at first location, m is stored in second location. So I am verifying it is palindrome or not based on palindrome condition. So mam 0 1 2. Okay, first I am taking I equal to 0. I equal to 0 here, str of 0 not equal to str of length. What is the length of the string? 3. 3 minus, what is the value of 0? 0 minus 1. str of 0 not equal to str of 2. Okay. If m not equal to m, false. Okay. Now, so flag value not become false. Again I equal to 1. str of 1 not equal to str of 3 minus 1 minus 1. Okay. 3 minus 1 minus 1. So we are getting str of 1 not equal to str of 1. What is str of 1 here? A not equal to A. Condition false. At I equal to str of 2 not equal to str of 3 minus 2 minus 1. str of 2 not equal to str of 0. What is str of 2? M. str of 0 m. M not equal to m. False. So flag value never becomes 1. When flag value not becomes 1, when the string is Palandro string, for the string flag value not becomes 1. Okay. So finally, what is flag value? 0. So if flag double equal to 0 means the given string. What is the given string here? Mam is palindrome. We are getting answer. Mam is palindrome. Okay. So this is end of this session. Thank you.